Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the negative and positive edge detection instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my Schematic Manager software and here we will create a new project. Already have a this project created, but how can new project created? I will show you. Click on new and just here type the name. You can see this all are programs. Any program you can open, or if you like to be create new project, you can write it here name. Negative E T G E negative H E R O. That's name you can select and click OK. And where you like to be store this program, this also you can. If you like to in C drive like to be store, so it's okay. If you like to be browse this another area you like to be store, this also you can select it here. So click OK, and now your new program is now created. So just go to the PLC and upload station to the PG, and after click on view which PLC is connected with your PC, that will be shown in this dialog box, and click OK and wait for some time, and your program which is inside the PLC, that will be backup. As per scene you can see this which program is inside the PLC, that is backed up, and your program is ready. Now you can click this one and go to the, I will open this little bit, and you can go to the block and sources also. If you like to be go sources and click insert new object. If you like to be STL sources like to make, inshallah will be next lectures. I will show you also how we can make the STL source. So now we will click on OB and click OK and make it bigger, and here in go to view section, and you can zoom factor will be changed, can be changed to 100%. After this it will go to visible. This old program we will be delete, and we will create the new program. It's very simple and easy. When you go this NEG instruction, after you can see the description in this box, address negative edge detection, same as this will be work as this instruction works same as this, but this is available in block type. And when you find this block type instruction, after you have to give addresses here. For example, which input address you like to be give for this edge detection. For example, I like to give the I124.0 like to give the edge detection, and here you have to be just internal memory. An example M0.0 you can give, and here which output you like to be make means giving the edge detection. So I will make set this one, because of if I give the only just coil, after we can't see because of this giving just edge only. So output also we will take 124.0. First is our input, and in next network we will insert a network, new network, and here we will use this positive edge trigger, and here I will give the I124.1 address, and here we will give the M0.1, and output we will take for set Q124.1. But this commands will be go to set after you like to be make reset this one Q124.0. So you have to be choose it here new network, and also one we will make the input, and one we will make the reset. This negative and this is our positive, and here we will give the M0.3 we can choose, and we will make the reset Q124.0. because of with this M0.3 we will make the reset our Q124.0, and this as the same also we will add one new network, and here we will give one more command, and one make for reset means M0.5, and we will give address Q124.1. we have to be make a reset for this one, this positive edge detection. So this program we will be download to the PLC, and we will go to monitor mode. Yeah, block loaded, and go to the simulation on, and now our PLC is in running condition. And now same as this one, I will give the only just edge at the I124.0 from my hardware, and as I give the signal you can see this is I124.0 signal is ready. This block screen you can see, and also the status is showing 1, but our output is not on because of why we are using this negative edge detection. As I remove the signal, after you can see our Q124.0 is now on, and if we give the signal at M0.3 modify to 1, and after the you can see this is our Q124.0 is go to reset. So same as instead of this one positive edge detection, when I give the signal at I124.1, you can see this is our MQ124.1 is now on, and when I remove the signal this will be set, but when we give the signal at M0.5, after it will be go to reset, otherwise it will be not reset 0. So this way you can use this negative edge block and positive edge block. Hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.